In this video, I will be showing you how to change the model in Claude Code. Let's get started. First thing, just come inside Claude Code terminal and run this slash, it's going to be model, and as you can see we are having set the AI model for Claude Code, and it's also showing us the current model in use. So just go slash model and hit enter. So we will be getting select model, switch between Claude models. So these are the stuff that are available. The default recommended one is Opus 4.8, which is the current latest model, and we are having Sonnet 4.6 also over here. So if you want to change any of this, just hit enter. You can use the arrow keys to go up and down and hit enter. As you can see, we have got Sonnet 4.6 is the default model. If you again want to change it, you can. And you can even use slash fast to turn on fast mode. So that's basically up to you. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.